Howdy, y'all. Just thought I would show you guys what I am up to. So, I am making paper flowers as stand-ins for the icing flowers because I'm going to make another practice cake and I want to be sure and have all of these in pristine condition. I don't want to use any of these, so I am making paper ones. So, I just am making one that's kind of close to the same size and color. And I didn't have the right color for this, but it's close enough. And I did all the leaves, every different shape, how many I have, and I am cutting them out. And then I'm going to decorate the practice cake with these flowers. And that way I can see how I want to actually use the frosting or the icing flowers on the real cake, on the actual cake. So I just thought I would share this idea with you guys. If maybe at some point you're needing to do something like this, and these are kind of pricey, and also there were only a few leaves left, and I am not capable of making these myself. So I want to make sure they stay nice. So I'm going to cut out all the rest of these. And then when I do the practice cake again tomorrow, I am going to decorate it with paper flowers. And in the meantime, I'm going to use, when I get them all cut out, that way I'll be able to shuffle them around and make the design that I want, and try it a few different ways and then do the cake and see how it turns out. So I just thought I'd show you guys. I just borrowed some of my husband's markers, and what I did was I drew, let's see if I can show you how I managed this. I drew the little shape. I took one of these out and traced it and drew the little shape. And then I cut it out like that. And then used a little piece of tape to tape the cutout back together. And then this was my stencil. So I used this for all the sunflowers. And I used like the leaf, for all the leaves. I just cut it out and then taped it back together. And I had wrote down how many I needed of each one, so I just traced that out and then colored it with a color. And now I'm going back and cutting everything out with my paper shears. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do for my practice flowers. And I just thought I would share that with you guys. So wish me luck. Thanks for joining me, you guys. Y'all be sweet.